In this video, I'm going to show you how to change direct reports in BambooHR. Now to do this, first you want to go to People tab over here on the left to actually access the people, of course, your employees. And then from here, you're going to have to find the person you want to change direct reports of. So I'm going to click on this first person over here. Now this is some demo data. As you can see, it says viewing sample data. So I'm not actually leaking any information of any real employee, as this is just some examples. And if you go to the job tab over here, which is the second one, and you should actually open it, you want to go down and you can see it says direct reports, and then over here there's two people here. Okay, so to actually change this, you want to do the following. If I open up this Lewis Shelton over here, for example, and it's going to load in their profile, you can then go to request a change up top right and click on job information. Now you'll see that now if I go to reports to Ashley Adams is over here, which was the person we opened earlier. So if we change this, for example, if we actually remove them, and I'm going to click on submit over here, or I actually have to select somebody, so I'm just going to select some other person and click on submit. I can now leave it like this, and I can go back to the previous person which we had, which was Ashley over here. And if I actually scroll down inside the job, you'll see that now there's only going to be one person reporting to, or sometimes it's automatically going to set a new one. Okay, so to actually set a new one over here, or to actually change them, you have to remove the person who's currently reporting, so the current direct report. In my case, I'd have to click on, for example, this Lewis over here and change this, or you could just go to a different person and change that specific person to who they're reporting to. Okay, so if I go to, for example, somebody random and change them to Ashley Adams, you'll see over here in just a second when I load up, I'm gonna go to, let's just do this person over here. There we go. I'm going to click on that specific person, and then I'm going to change it the way I showed you earlier. So request a change, and then over here it says employment or job information. I'm going to just click on over here, and you'll see that now I can change. This person actually reports to myself, so I have to find Ashley Adams over here. There we go. Click on submit. And there we go. This is going to be put as a request of change. Okay, so if I now go back to people over here, you're going to see that if I now go to Ashley, whenever that's confirmed, it's going to change it. So if I go to the top right, because I have to confirm this myself over here, I have to go to job information and then confirm this. So the changes, there we go. As you can see, it's changing these. I'm going to just click on this specific one, and I just have to approve it like that. And then, of course, the admin is going to have to approve this for you as well. So if I click on approve over here, Eric is now going to be, of course, the new direct report of our Ashley over here. So if I actually go back to people, if it's going to let me go there we go. I'm going to click on this specific sample person over here, and you see that their direct report has actually been changed. And now, of course, it's a different one. Now, you can do this for every single person. Yes, it's going to take a few seconds. And if you're not the admin is going to have to approve this. But essentially, there we go. As you can see, this has now been changed. Okay, so that's how to do this. If you go to people over here, you can just click on the person you want, and you are good to go. Now, under this org chart over here, or the organization chart, you can click on that to kind of make it a bit easier to view. You can see it for yourself and for other people as well, for other employees, and you can see who is actually a direct report of who. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.